Did you know that one small change in your care routine can help your Anthurium bloom beautifully all year long? Welcome to Flower Care Garden, where simple and natural methods can truly transform your little green space. Here, I share easy to-follow tips you can use at home. Nothing complicated, nothing expensive, just visible results within a few weeks. With a little patience and care, your plant can grow stronger roots, shinier leaves, and blooms that last longer and appear more consistently. In today's video on Flower Care Garden, I'll guide you step by step. From proper watering and feeding to simple tricks that encourage steady, long-lasting blooms. Let's get started and bring new life back to your plants today. Before starting the care process, I take a moment to check the overall condition of my Anthurium. Looking closely, I notice several young leaves growing too tightly together, trapped and unable to develop properly because they lack light and space. So I carefully remove the dried and overcrowded leaves using clean, sharp scissors. This improves airflow, allows the plant to direct nutrients to healthier parts, and reduces the risk of fungal problems from decaying leaves. Just a few small steps can make a big difference in the plant's health and overall appearance. Today, the ingredient I'm using to care for my Anthurium is simply a common onion from the kitchen. I gently peel it and keep the dry outer skins, since they contain beneficial nutrients for plant growth. Instead of chopping, I tear the onion skins into small pieces, so the nutrients can release more effectively during soaking. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm so happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. Please leave a comment below and let me know where you're watching from. It's amazing that we can connect and share ideas with each other from all around the world. Then I place the torn skins into a clean glass jar to prepare for the next step. Seeing those simple onion skins in the jar always feels like preparing a small natural gift from my beloved Anthurium. Next, I add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder into the jar of onion skins. A common kitchen ingredient that can be very beneficial for plants. Turmeric provides mild antifungal properties, helps protect the roots, and adds natural nutrients to the mixture. Then I pour about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water into the jar and stir well to fully combine the ingredients. We let the mixture steep for about 30 minutes so the nutrients from the onion skins and turmeric can fully release. Once ready, you'll have a natural plant care solution with a mild scent and nourishing benefits for your Anthurium. After letting the mixture steep for about 30 minutes, I open the jar and you can notice the mild, distinctive scent of onion skins blended with turmeric. I give it another gentle stir to ensure any remaining nutrients settled at the bottom are fully dissolved. Once the onion skins and turmeric have released their nutrients, I strain out the solids, keeping only the clear, nutrient-rich liquid. This solution becomes a natural energy boost for the Anthurium, supporting faster recovery, stronger root development, and preparing the plant for vibrant new blooms. To make the solution gentle and safe for the plant, I add about 500 milliliters of clean water and stir well to dilute it properly. This dilution step is important because it allows the plant to absorb nutrients effectively without causing stress to the roots or leaves. Step 1. I soak a soft cotton pad with the onion skin and turmeric extract. Then gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves, both the top and the underside. This is not just simple cleaning, it works like a natural care treatment that refreshes and revitalizes the leaves. Onion skin extract contains natural compounds and sulfur that provide mild antibacterial support, helping remove dust, fungi, and harmful bacteria from the leaf surface. Turmeric offers natural antifungal properties, helping protect the leaves and reduce the risk of moisture-related diseases. Once the dust layer is removed, the leaves can absorb light more effectively, allowing photosynthesis to improve. The gentle nutrients in the solution can be absorbed through the leaf surface, supporting resilience and helping the plant recover faster after blooming or periods of stress. The combination of onion skins and turmeric creates a light, natural protective layer that keeps the leaves glossy, soft, and vibrant for longer. After completing this cleaning step, your Anthurium will be fresher, healthier, and ready for its next vibrant blooming cycle. Step 2. I pour the onion skin and turmeric solution into a spray bottle and gently mist the entire Anthurium, from the stems and leaves to the growing medium around the base. This misting allows the natural nutrients to come into direct contact with the leaves and stems. Onion skins contain minerals, vitamins, and natural sulfur compounds that provide mild antibacterial support and strengthen the plant's resistance. Turmeric helps inhibit fungal growth and protect the plant from harmful organisms that may hide beneath leaves or in the soil. As a result, the plant recovers faster, especially after pruning or blooming cycles. When used regularly, the mist also helps maintain natural leaf moisture and reduce leaf edge dryness or sun scorch. The leaves become thicker, deeper green, and glossier as the plant absorbs nutrients consistently. Misting also cools the plant, washes away dust, and increases surrounding humidity, especially beneficial in hot, dry weather. This gentle yet consistent care stimulates growth, encouraging stronger new roots and vigorous shoots. Step 3. I use the remaining onion skin and turmeric solution to water the growing medium directly. Watering with this solution delivers nutrients deep into the soil, stimulating strong root growth and encouraging the roots to spread throughout the pot. The natural compounds in onion skins provide mild disinfecting support and help reduce the risk of fungal problems around the roots. Turmeric helps protect the growing medium and supports faster root recovery and new tissue development. This method nourishes the plant from the roots, helping it recover after pruning, stimulate healthy new shoots, and prepare for the next blooming cycle. After watering, I allow the solution to soak in for about 10 minutes so the roots can fully absorb the nutrients before any excess drains away. By doing this once or twice a month, you'll notice thicker green leaves, stronger roots, and longer-lasting blooms over time. After soaking the growing medium in the solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the pot and allow any excess water to drain out completely. Then I place the plant in an area with soft, indirect light, not too bright and not too shady. Step 4 is gently drying the leaves with a soft cotton cloth. I carefully wipe the entire leaf surface, both the top and underside, to remove any remaining moisture after misting. This small step is very important because leaving the leaves wet for too long can lead to fungal issues, rot, or sunburn under strong light. The soft cloth also removes dust and residue, allowing the leaves to breathe better and improve photosynthesis. After wiping, the leaves look shinier, firmer, and noticeably healthier. Wiping the leaves is also a way to observe and connect with your plant every day. And just like that, we've completed all the steps to care for your Anthurium using a natural and easy method at home. With just onion skins and a little turmeric, you can provide your plant with gentle yet effective nourishment. With consistent care, your plant will develop stronger roots, glossier leaves, and longer-lasting blooms over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Flower Care Garden so we can continue this inspiring plant care journey together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.